Today we're going to learn to use a new app called Maps on your iPad. And our goal is that I can use a map to learn about where I live. So to get started, you will push on the app that says Maps. When you first open the app, you'll get a little pop-up that says, would you like to enable location services? Click yes, you would allow that. When that happens, you'll see that a little blue dot will pop up on the map. This is the map of the United States that you see right here. And down at the bottom, you'll see Florida, which is where we live. Over here we have the Gulf of Mexico, and all of the water is blue. And the land is two different colors. Some of it is green, and some is like this cream color. But you can see lakes, you can see oceans, and you can see land. So I'm just going to label those things for you again. Let's use red. So all the land is right here, and there's even some land down here. This Gulf of Mexico is right here. I see lots of lakes here, and here. The Atlantic Ocean is located right here where the star is. And last we have Florida. So I'd like you to explore Florida a little bit. To zoom in, you're going to use your fingers, your two fingers, and you're going to pinch and pull your fingers out to kind of zoom in and look very closely. And find your blue dot so you can see your community. And once you get pretty close, it'll kind of look like this, where you might see some roads. The roads are going to be yellow, and you might see some forests that are green. You can see the Gulf of Mexico on Florida over here, and this is Tampa Bay. But I want you to look at where that blue dot is and zoom in so that your map kind of looks like mine. And then next, you're going to click down here where you see that little blue eye with a circle around it. I want you to push that. When you push the blue eye, you'll get this little pop-up. And this is where the fun begins, because right now, I see a standard map. But if you click on satellite view, you can actually see a better version of what your community really looks like. So go ahead and click satellite version. And the satellite version is going to look like this. I still see that the roads are yellow. But here I can look at the coast and see the beaches and the water. And I can see the land, the physical earth. And some of it is dark green and some of it is light green. But you can zoom in again where your blue dot is by pinching your fingers and pulling them apart on the screen. Okay, and you can zoom in really closely and look at our school. I just kind of did a tap with my finger, and it brought me in really close. And I just want to show you a couple things. This is the map of our school, but if you look closely, you'll notice that there's no grass in the middle of our school. And the parking lot looks a little different out front. And that's because it's all dirt right there. So this picture of our school must have been taken maybe over the summer when they were still building it. Because when you look, you'll still see, like, I think that this might be the CDI, and it looks like they're still building that. So anyways, that's pretty cool. So what I'd like you to do now is go ahead and play around. You can clip on the Maps app and get started and just kind of explore and learn more about your community using the map. Have fun!